Rise. Judge Vandervee court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Proctors.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Ms. Proctor, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
My husband is extremely supportive of the children and me, and
Your husband? Are you guys
my ex-husband.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I would like to reduce the amount that he has to pay because he's paying more than he should. He takes care of the children's everything we need. He provides very well for us, and I have my own job, and so it would really make me happy, Your Honor, if you could reduce the agreement that we have from $1,426.56 to $415 a month, please.
Is that what you all agreed to? The $415?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. And what else does Dad pay for?
He covers any extracurricular activities that the children would like to do. Anything that they want, they get.
Okay.
And he covers their health insurance. He's an excellent father.
Okay. So you say he covers extracurricular activities.
Yes, ma'am.
Health.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're walking into one of the rarest child support cases you'll ever see. A mother walks into court not to demand more money, but to lower it. She praises her ex for covering everything, from school needs to daily expenses, while calmly asking the judge to make it official. It feels peaceful, almost too peaceful, and that's where the tension begins to simmer.
I don't know. He would have all of the numbers for whatever he says. I will agree with.
Okay, that is pretty generous to be covering the extracurricular activities. Is there anything else that he pays for?
Anything that they need, he takes care of.
Okay. And what are the ages of the children?
1.5. I was pregnant when we got divorced. We have a 4-year-old, a 6-year-old, and a 10-year-old.
Okay. All right, that's a nice little spread you all have there. It sounds like the Brady Bunch. Okay. So is there anything else you need me to know before I move over to him?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And sir, will you agree to everything that she's been saying, that that's you all's agreement?
It is. We didn't have a court-ordered thing. It was just something that we came up with.
Okay. So you're paying right now, you're giving her $415 a month for the children.
Correct.
All right. And you're covering all extracurricular activities for each of them.
That's correct. That includes summer camp and baseball and everything. Yes.
Okay. So they go to summer camp every year for the whole summer?
Correct.
And how much is that?
It's about $200 per kid.
Per kid. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, that definitely, it's good that you all can come to that sort of an agreement and do that, because that's not something that happens all the time in this courtroom.
Okay. The father confirms every generous detail: health insurance, extracurricular activities, summer camps for 4 kids. The judge notes how rare it is to see such cooperation in this courtroom. But as smooth as it sounds, there's an undertone here. When both sides agree too easily, experienced eyes know something is brewing just under the surface.
And I'm pretty sure in a lot of child support courtrooms around Texas, okay? So that is good you all came to that. How much is health insurance?
It's $289 a month.
$289 a month. Okay. So, you say you all did, this is not a court order, so this is the first time that there will be an order in place.
Correct.
So just so the court understands, make sure that you understand your child support in terms of what you were paying. I believe you said the number was $1,426.56, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Based on that, your gross would have been, it is, based on the documents that you presented, your gross is about $5,000 a month. Your net is about $4,075.88. So what I will do is go ahead and adopt
Your
the
Honor,
agreement. Yes.
I'm sorry, can I interrupt you for a moment?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm really not comfortable with this agreement, but he's really mean. And if I don't agree to it...
Wait. Just when it looks like a done deal, The calm cracks. The judge is about to lock in the agreement when the mother interrupts. Her voice shifts. She says she's not comfortable and hints at fear, calling him really mean. It's the first sign that the cooperation we saw might just be a fragile shell hiding a much darker conflict.
I object, Your Honor. I'm not doing
What's
anything.
your legal objection?
I'm on the grounds that it may incriminate me.
Okay.
He has, I can prove that he makes at least $4.7 million a year. I have all the account information here provided to me by his bookie. He laundries money, and I would just like to take whatever money you want to give us that's going to make him happy and give us a protective order. The children have already gone to a safe place, and I'm going to leave as soon as I get here so he can't hurt us anymore, please.
Okay.
She's crazy, Your Honor. She's crazy.
I'm crazy, yeah. That's okay, I'm crazy. I'll just agree
So
to
you're
this.
agreeing that you're crazy?
Absolutely. Whatever he says, I'll agree to.
Okay, so what I'll do, because you all have been doing this, is go ahead and adopt the agreement between the two of you based on the
Can you maybe
documentation I have.
make sure there's...
Hold up.
Then comes a bombshell. She claims he makes $4.7 million a year, launders money, and says she has proof from his own bookie. She asks for a protective order, saying she and the kids are already hiding. He fires back, calling her crazy. This is no longer just a child support negotiation. This feels like the start of a criminal investigation.
insurance for the children so that when he kills me, that they'll be taken care
Oh
of.
my gosh. Not to sound insensitive, but in terms of protective orders, this is not the court that you would want to be in. You would definitely need to be in another court. But if you're thinking in terms of safety, I think your first step is to call 911 and maybe speak to some police officers or whatnot. So I don't know what you're doing to this woman. However,
I'm not doing
unfortunately, well, I'm not saying that you are, but based on what she said.
He
As
has,
far as my
he has
job
everybody
goes-
on the books. I have the proof. I can give it to you.
No, ma'am.
There's
You know what?
receipts.
don't
I
even
have
wanna be
access to
incriminated
all
in
of
that.
his accounts.
No, thanks. So what I'm going to do is adopt the agreement.
Not
The drama spikes higher. She demands life insurance for the kids in case he kills her. The judge is caught off guard, calmly explaining this isn't the court for protective orders and urging her to call 911 if she feels unsafe. It's the moment where the tone shifts from financial dispute to genuine fear, and the stakes are suddenly life and death.
You all, based on what you've been doing, the $415 a month, you will continue to pay that. You will continue to pay the $289 in health insurance. You will continue to cover extracurricular activities for each of the children, including summer camp. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. And I think I need to go have a drink because you
Thank you, Your Honor.
guys have really, I'm nervous.
and just
Despite the chaos, the judge finalizes their agreement. $415 a month, $289 for health insurance, and all extracurriculars covered. The gavel comes down, but the air in the room is thick. The judge even admits she feels nervous after hearing the accusations. This ending may be official, but the tension suggests the story is far from over.